Hey guys, so we are at the Washington Camping RV Expo at the Dulles Expo Center, and we're gonna walk around and check out the RVs.
Yay, let's go.
Hey, so we're shopping like for RV, and we're thinking about like retiring like the next 4 or 5 years, hopefully, and we're trying to figure out like what we like and what we don't like. So this is one of the RVs that's one of the ones that we like. So we're gonna share with you what we like about it. This is a Hurricane 33X from the Thor Motor Coach Company. First off, the price is like lower than some of the other ones we've looked at, even though it's like really pricey. But it replaces your house basically. Um, it's being 33 feet, you can get it into like a lot of national parks and stuff like that. We would have a tow vehicle behind it, like a Jeep or like a truck or something like that. There's a stove there with an oven. The oven's important to us. It has a full-size refrigerator, like that's important to us. It has lots of storage. You can see like she's just walking by the cabinets. Has a washer and dryer in back, like that's super important to us. It has a king-size bed, like that's super important to us. So basically, this like little 33-foot RV has like a lot of the stuff that we're looking for. Um, and you can see there I am, like that's the way I record. It's pretty stealth, like when I go to these shows. So anyway, it has like room next to the beds so you can like put your phone or plug it in or whatever. It has a hard door between like the bedroom and the living area. Like that's super important to us also. And I'm just pointing out like things that are important to us, like what we're looking for in an RV. Um, it has like obviously a correctly positioned TV in the bedroom, like that's sort of important, but it's not like really one of the like the key defining things. Um, we don't really have like huge restroom requirements other than the shower is like large enough. Like some of the RVs have like very itty bitty tiny showers, like Airstreams, and I don't want to like talk down about Airstreams because I really like them, but they're like really tiny. Um, like I said, this has an oven, like an actual oven on the bottom of it. That's like really important to us because we like to bake things. I don't mean like cakes, but I mean like pizzas or like whatever. Like I don't really care about microwaves to tell you the truth. I like the stove and the oven. Maybe that's just showing my age. That I'm not really crazy about microwaves. Um, but I mean, like you can see, like this RV essentially has like almost everything like we're looking for. And then if you go up in front, hopefully we have footage up in front. The couch is like lined up so it can see the TV, and you can see the TV there on the left, and the TV's like right in front of the couch, over the dinette right here. And then up in front, you can see there's an area for me to work, like, cause I'll probably be working part time at least, maybe even full time, I don't know. And like right there, that thing slides out, and you can put a laptop on it, so you can work from this area. So anyway, so this is like one of the RVs just like on our list of like ones that we would consider purchasing, and I just wanted to share it with the channel so they could see it and see what we like about it in case anybody else is interested in it.